Hey friends, I'm Miss B, and today we're reading Summer Green to Autumn Gold, Uncovering Leaves' Hidden Colors by Mia Posada. What kinds of leaves do you see in the summer? Here we can see red maple leaves, honey locust leaves, willow, aspen, bur oak, linden, ginkgo, sugar maple, paper birch, silver maple, white oak, sweet gum, black walnut, dogwood, elm, cottonwood, and ash leaves. From emerald to jade and every shade in between, summer leaves fill the world with green. The secret to their green color is found deep inside each leaf. Tiny parts in the leaf called cells hold even tinier parts called chloroplasts. And inside the chloroplast is something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment or color, and it's what makes leaves green. Besides making plants green, chlorophyll has a job to do. It helps make food for trees and other green plants. When the sun shines on a plant's leaves, chlorophyll collects some of its energy. The energy combines with water from the ground and gas from the air to make food. The food helps the plant grow. The green chlorophyll is also hiding something. It's covering up other colors inside the leaf. Orange and yellow pigments hide beneath the bright green. All through the warm summer, they wait. Slowly, summer creeps toward fall. The air cools and the nights grow longer. These changes tell trees it's time to get ready for winter. The growing season for trees is over. The leaves stop making food. They don't need chlorophyll anymore. The chlorophyll slowly disappears and the leaves' green color fades away. Now the hidden yellows and oranges are finally revealed. Some leaves turn fiery red, deep purple, or bright pink. These bright colors form inside the leaf as the weather cools. Other leaves have brown pigments hidden inside. As the chlorophyll fades, these leaves turn brown. Many leaves have mixtures of yellow, orange, red, and brown pigments. The world is a rainbow of scarlet and orange, burgundy, and gold. Soon the stems of the leaves start to separate from the tree. The wind blows them loose. They drift to the ground, piling up. The fallen leaves feed the forest floor. They break down and become part of the soil. They become food and shelter for insects, snails, and worms. The bare trees sleep through the winter. This is their resting time. In spring, fresh leaves sprout from awakening buds full of chlorophyll and filling the world with green again. Different kinds of leaves. The trees in this book, whose leaves change color and fall off every year, are called deciduous trees. Their leaves are soft and too fragile to survive a freezing winter. The stems of the leaves seal off to protect the tree from drying out and from infection. In doing so, the leaves are released. Some trees, called evergreens, keep most of their leaves all year long. Evergreens, such as pine and spruce trees, have hardy needle-like leaves with a protective waxy coating that helps them survive the cold of winter. Pigments in nature. The pigments that give leaves their vibrant orange and yellow fall colors are called carotenoids. Carotenoids are found all over the plant world. They are what make carrots and pumpkins orange and bananas, corn, and daffodils bright yellow. Red and purple leaf colors are made by anthocyanin pigments. Anthocyanins also make apples red and form the reds, pinks, purples, and blues of flower petals. Brown colors in leaves are made by tannins. In early fall, the tannins interact with the carotenoid and anthocyanin pigments to create the golds, burgundies, and rich coppers in leaves such as oaks. Later in fall, the orange, yellow, and red pigment fades out of the leaves, leaving only the brown tannins. Some or all of these pigments may be present in a single leaf. They combine and interact to form the vibrant spectrum of fall colors. Fall colors all around the world. Fall leaves are most vibrant in regions of the world that have 4 distinct seasons. In areas where the weather doesn't turn cold, leaves may fall but usually do not change color. The types of trees in an area determine the color and intensity of its fall leaves. For instance, the forests of Northeast United States contain many maple trees that produce vibrant reds. The aspen trees of the Rocky Mountains produce mainly bright yellows. From fall to fall, colors can change. The colors and brilliance of the leaves on a particular tree may vary from year to year. The brightness of the pigments can be affected by weather. Autumn produces weather with a lot of bright sunny days, and cool nights will produce the brightest fall leaves. The red and purple anthocyanin pigments need sunlight in order to form, so a cloudy fall will not produce as many bright reds. A very dry summer may delay the leaves turning, or they may fall before they've had a chance to turn. Freezing fall temperatures will destroy the leaves' ability to form red and purple anthocyanin pigments. The factors that affect leaf colors can create different colors even on the same tree. The side of a tree that gets the most sunlight will have the brightest leaves. Later, Gators, learn, grow, and let the stories flow. Like and subscribe!